All right, this is going to be a really good lunch, quick. Another one of those leftover, how to use up leftover with eggs. I already got my toast out. It's just white bread toast. And if you never watched my videos before, I always say, make sure you stand your toast up or put it in a rack, because if you take it out of the toaster and put it flat on the dish, it'll condensate, and then you'll end up with soggy bread, which is terrible. So anyway, the other day I made sausage, peppers, and onions, and it came out really good. And I had just a little bit left over, and I didn't want to throw it in the garbage. So I'm just going to scramble a couple of eggs with it. And that's all. And it'll be really, really good. I've done this a million times before. And this one, I'm actually not going to beat the eggs. I noticed some videos, they say when they're whisking or beating the eggs in the thing, they're calling that scrambled eggs. That's actually not scrambled eggs. That's beating an egg. Scrambling an egg is what takes place in the pan. And I've seen kind of a trend where people are basically folding it and kind of making a Western omelet. Now, technically, that's not a scrambled egg. A scrambled egg is a scrambled egg. But anyway, that doesn't matter. All I'm going to do is just crack a couple of eggs directly in there without even beating them in the thing first, and in a bowl, and just let it rip right in the pan. It's a good way to do it, and then you have one less thing you got to wash. If you're being lazy like me. So all I'm doing is just heating this up. All right. And this is not really going to be scrambled. It's going to be more Western omelet-ish. And then I'm going to put it on some toast to make a sandwich. And then, like I said, it's just a good, tasty leftover lunch. Leftovers out of the fridge. This is probably going to be too much for one sandwich. Probably get 2 sandwiches out of it, but I'm not that hungry. And there it is. Let me tighten that one side up just a little bit. All right. Now I'll have to let that cool for a second. All right, here we go. It's really good. I didn't need to add any spices, because it was already in the leftovers. So there you go, another fast leftover meal using eggs. Give it a try.